was a kid, I used to hear the older people say, "Money does not buy happiness." But that one line alone does not mean much. In my opinion, money can really buy happiness. Of course, money cannot help you get friends, it cannot help you find a wife or a husband. You cannot buy your way to a better body. But what happens when you have no money? When you cannot afford to give your family what they need? And only then you will see money in a different light. Money is insanely important and you cannot live in this world without it. Money is just as important as oxygen you need it to live. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning I bid to Madam Mahani and friends. My opinion speech topic is money can buy happiness. Money can buy happiness so I can have good education, I can make others happy, and I can have everything that I have ever dreamed of. Trust me, with money, you can buy happiness either for yourself or for others. First, in my opinion, when you have money, you can have good education. With money, I can choose any high-quality universities or colleges that I want to go. These kinds of institutions will serve me with many interesting facilities that I wish to have. With money, I do not have to work nights and days merely to get the money to pay for the fees. Those good universities will also give the best education for me because they have the best lecturers and most conducive classes. Thus, my future will be secured. Not only that money can give you good education, with money, you can also make others happy. Yes, indeed, I can make others happy with money. The money, I would not spend all of them for myself. Instead, I would invest quarter or half of it in others who are in need. For example, I can donate my money for the poor and the homeless who do not have money to buy food. I also can help the refugees and donate it to the orphans. Recent research also suggests that the most satisfying way of using money is to invest it in others. This can take a seemingly limitless variety of forms, from donating to charity that helps strangers in a faraway country to buying lunch for a friend. For me, when you invest your money in others, it will make you feel happier, healthier, and wealthier, although it means that your money will get lesser. Last but not least, with money, I can buy everything that I have ever dreamed of ever since I was a kid. I can buy branded stuff like Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, Burberry, and many more. For me, having branded stuff is a happiness because I love handbags so much. Besides that, I have always dreamed of building a huge mansion for my parents so that they can have a rest in it and do everything they want. Yes, with money, I can give my parents everything they want to make them happy. Indeed, their happiness is my happiness too. In my opinion, money really can buy happiness because first, it can give me good education, I can make others happy with money, and also I can have everything that I have ever dreamed of. In conclusion, money can really give us happiness as long as we know how to spend it well. Maybe there are people out there who do not agree with me, but I truly think money can buy happiness in this world, and that is the reality. Thank you for watching.